Hi there, this is Diecast channel, and in this video I'm going to show you this 1967 Chevrolet Impala made in a 1/18 scale by Racing Champions Authentics Collection. So if you like those cars, please stay tuned for news, and this video is for you, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell for news. Let's unbox it and take a better look at it. This car is made in a sort of a beige pearl color. It's quite a different color. It's a Mac Tools model with those decals on the side. The front of this car, as we look at it, is that very nice and aggressive front 1967 Impalas have. Those lines are really nice. As we look at the tip of the fender and the grille, and we pop the hood open, we can take a look at this very nice 390 big block engine. It's made in orange. We see the engine as a whole, the spring system, hinges, the alternator, filters and hoses, the brake system, the air filter, the radiator cap and hose, reservoir, the engine bay as a whole, and the hood itself, which is very well made, and the latch, the hood latch, and the front panel and the grille. As we see, this grille has a perfect match with the Impala SS logo. Very realistic details, and the hood closes correctly. Really like those lines, and there are no fake air intakes, just like in the SS hood. And this air intake has a little defect in the painting, but the chrome, the trim around the windshield is perfect. The lines are very nice indeed. And as we open the passenger door, we can take a look at the interior. Black interior with bucket seats, and the floor on the floor is a mechanical transmission. As we look inside, we can see the dashboard, the panel with the gauges, and the steering wheel, the glove compartment, the mirror, seat belts, and carpet, the mats inside, headliner with its sun visors, factory sticker, and door closes correctly and is well aligned. Lock and handle are separate pieces, and the seats tilt. Rear deck is good, painted is good. There's a sort of a tattoo here in the trunk lid. I don't know exactly what it is, but it must be Mac Tools. And the antenna, which goes up and down. Trunk lid with the Impala logo. And as we open it, a very good trunk with the internal coating, the mat, the spare tire, the jack right there, the trunk lock and the trunk lid with factory instructions for using the jack, the lock and stuff. License plate and tail lights are correct, and the bumper is very realistic. Dual exhaust, as we can see, the gas tank underneath the car. The lines of this car are really elegant, and there's no misalignment at all. And these lines are the same of 1968, basically the same. We have a little change in the front, which is like this in 1967, and in 1968 has a finer grille. It's with different headlights, and the rear, which has the tail lights and the bumper. And the bumper is a little bit reinforced, more reinforced, so it's completely different. But the basic lines of the car and the profile are the same. As we open the driver's door, we can see one more angle of the interior, steering wheel and the dashboard, the seats and seat belts, the pedals and the mat. This car is really well taken care of. The seat belt, buckle, and the pedals, the door panel, they're all perfect, really. Door closes correctly. A trim around the windows. One more look at the interior. And 390 logo right here at the tip of the fender, as we can see. Turbojet. And those wheels and tires that look very realistic, really. The SS wheels and hubcaps. And Impala SS logo. And as we look at the bottom of the car, we can see the space, which is body and chassis. Rear suspension and front suspension actually work. The engine and the oil filter in correct color, just like the tranny. Movable drive shaft. It spins around. and the mufflers, the floor, the frame, this body and chassis, as I said. So it's gloss black and flat black, and the mufflers and the gas tank. So all details are supposed to be in the bottom of the car are actually present. The spring, coil spring, front suspension, the engine and air filter, and the exhaust manifold. So every single part is very well taken care of. So it's a very nice car to have it on Diecast car collection, especially if you like those American cars and those Chevy muscle cars. So from 0 to 10, I would give this car a 10. So I'd like to thank you for all views, for all likes and comments. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, to leave your like and your comments below, to click the bell for news, and stay tuned for the next videos. So I thank you and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.